हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द वॉलकर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जानने वाले हैं सैमसंग के कौन कौन से नए प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च होने वाले हैं और इनके इवेंट में क्या क्या नया स्पेशल होने वाला है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Opening new worlds of possibility for everyone. New Galaxy S22 series, S22 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S8 series. Our ultimate goal is to deliver products, services, and the experiences. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro series. This device is so thin and light, only 868 grams. Galaxy Book 2 Pro in graphite and silver, and the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 bold burgundy. Comes in a 2-in-1 convertible form factor. Wi-Fi 6E. You can stay online and connected wherever you go. 1080p full HD camera. Auto framing, bi-directional intelligent noise cancellation. Up to 21 hours of video playback.
Deliver impressive leaps in real-world performance.
Our multi-core performance is up to 1.7 times faster than new Intel Arc graphics.
AMOLED displays, Smart Amp, secured core PC, safeguard critical components from outside access and external threats. Enhanced sign-in security, private share. Our new Galaxy Book 2 Pro series is powerful, secure.
Integrates elements from our smartphones and tablets to a Windows-run Galaxy Book 2 series, the Galaxy Book Experience. A single login to your Samsung account, Galaxy Book Smart Switch, Samsung Multi-Control.
Recent apps and further integrations with Office.
These amazing Galaxy Book 2 Pro series will be available in April.